How to fix video scheduler internal error BSOD on Windows. 1. Turn off hardware acceleration in graphics settings. 2. For advanced users only, figure out faulty GPU/driver, open then read the dump file at %winder% or %winder%/minidump/. 3. Troubleshoot graphics driver, update all your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, roll back driver if you can. Plan C, uninstall driver. 4. Check then resolve potential overclocking and heating issues. 5. Troubleshoot hardware compatibility, slower PCIe slot configuration or a similar setting in the BIOS. Moreover, check then remove any recently installed devices like RAM, disk,